Hello everyone. So I come after a long gap. During this period, many people ask me whether I'm getting paid for this kind of things, all my recordings and all. Let me tell the fact. I'm not getting paid. It's just like giving back to society what I have learned. Or my thought process, I'm just sharing so that if someone comes back with a comment, it's a good exchange of the thoughts. And that is why I have taken the topic today, or I have selected the topic today based on the mindset. So what is mindset? We all know that the mindset matters. But what is mindset? Mindset is nothing but a collection of thoughts and beliefs. During the walk of life, we develop lot of thoughts, lot of beliefs. And this combined together forms a mindset. It is just a perception. And then we try to relate this mindset with others and then give different tags, whether it is like a growth mindset or a fixed mindset or a limiting mindset or a rich mindset or a poor mindset, etc., etc., etc. What I'm going to talk today is limiting mindset. The tag I have given is a limiting mindset, is purely my perception. You may agree, you may not agree. Many people may differ in the thought process. And I would request that if you really differ with what I'm going to speak or what I'm speaking, please do come back through comments so that there will be a good exchange of thoughts. Maybe I can look at the things, or maybe the guys who agrees with me, maybe they can look at the things from a different perspective, from a different paradigms. Because today what I'm talking is totally my paradigms, my perspectives, my mind, and my way of looking at things. Make sense? Okay. So the first one, as I said, mindset is totally about the perception. So let's look at from the different perspectives. From the time perception, the limited mindset is like, okay, there is no moving further. So that means there is no tomorrow. Whatever you have, time is very limited. Today is the time. If tomorrow is there, let's think of tomorrow when tomorrow comes. So that means like, okay, I just spend the money like there is no tomorrow. That's the limitations we put on ourselves. But if you do not have the limited mindset, then maybe you can say, okay, I need to save the money for tomorrow. I need to save the money for future. Don't spend everything today. That's the difference between the mindset of limited one and the growth one. From the education perception, like I finished the graduation, so I finished my education. That's what is the limited mindset. I am of the opinion that education never ends. You might do the graduation, you might do the post-graduation also. But you are learning new things every day, every moment, through your experience, maybe through your own readings, maybe through attending some trainings online, maybe attending some trainings on the classes, whatever it is. But you are learning every moment. Now, if somebody thinks that, okay, I did my graduation, I finished my education, then the mindset is a limited mindset. From the wealth equation perspective, if you think that, okay, wealth is what? My income and my debt. That's what is my wealth. That's a limited one. But actually, debt and income is like a balancing. More you have debt, less income you have, because whatever you are earning goes into the debt. So the growth mindset would be the opposite of limited mindset would be wealth equal to income plus investment. I can say that way. Remove that debt and put it into investment. Then you don't need to juggle like, okay, you add to the income, the investment, because the investment is going to give you the returns. Debt will never give you the returns. The fourth one is from the destination's perspective, the final destination. It's always like this. We don't know when is the end coming. So why to limit ourselves that end is near? Just think that tomorrow is always loading in our life. And so we should not limit that there is no destination. Live for today. Don't bother for tomorrow. Life is short. Enjoy. No, that's very limited perspective. Yeah, life is short. If we see life is short, and life is, there is lot to live if we really look from that angle. So tomorrow is always loading every moment, and let's invest for future. Let's invest in ourselves. Let's invest in finance. Let's invest in growth. Everything. That's what is the growth perspective. There is a this thing, reactive and proactive approach. The perspective of being reactive, perspective of being proactive. Many times when we are in reactive mode, we always think that we are the victim of someone else's fault, and we keep on asking the questions, why me? Why all the bad things happens to me? It happens to us because we react to something. As Viktor Frankl says, between stimulus and response there is a space. The reactive mindset do not utilize that space, they immediately respond to the events. And the proactive mindset, which is opposite of reactive, they create that space between the stimuli and response, and that space is being utilized to develop the response which adds to the growth. And that's the difference between the proactive and reactive. And from that perspective, if you have the victimized feeling and if you think that all bad thing happens to me, it's a limited mindset. Number 6 is just getting instant gratification. So if you have limited mindset, we just run for getting the gratifications. Immediate pleasure we need. We do something, okay, we need that someone should appreciate right now. I want everything right now. We do not invest for some good results of future. So that mindset also to me is very limited mindset. The 7th is from plan perspective. The limited mindset people do not have plan, or I can say they have no plan zone, because they think everything is limited, life is limited, enjoy today, don't bother for tomorrow. If you don't bother for tomorrow, what can I plan for tomorrow? There is no plan. And if I am having an opposite of limited or abundance or growth mindset, then definitely I will be working on quadrant 2 of Stephen Covey. That is, nothing is urgent, but it's important. So I will be working on the plan. I'll work for future. Number 8 is surplus money perspective. So if I have the limited mindset, then definitely I have surplus money. I would rather spend that money. I will immediately try to get the next great gadget. iPhone 12 Pro, immediately get it. It's launched, go stand in the queue, pre-book and get. Go for holidays, enjoy. Again, because life is short and I have money, why should I keep that money? I should utilize that money. But if I'm having the growth perspective, I'm working for tomorrow. Oh, fine, my current phone is working. Why should I immediately invest into the gadget? Why should I spend unnecessary? Let me first secure my future and then enjoy the life. The ninth one is having the single income source. Okay, many might differ with me. If you are having only one single source of income, I will call it a limited mindset. For the simple reason that you are depending on only one limited source, and if something happens, what has happened to many during the pandemic, if something goes wrong, salary cut, loss of job, you are out of the scene. The life is going to be difficult. If you are not having the limited mindset, look for multiple source of income. Now, multiple source of income does not mean 2 jobs. It does not mean job plus business. It means everything. It could be job, it could be business, it could be royalties, it could be rental income that you are renting out your properties and earning something. It could be the investment you are doing financially and getting back in terms of interest or dividends or whatever it is. And that is what it's on. In other words, you earn by working while you are awake, and you earn by investment while you are sleeping. That's what is the growth mindset. So just to summarize, you can see this picture. I have put the limited mindset into black and white and the growth is into the colorful, because limited is going to limit everything for you in your life. And it's very important you have to move from limited towards the growth and make your life colorful. And that's why you ask yourself the question, what can you do to change your mindset and grow? I'm repeating what I said in the beginning. This is totally my thought process, my perspectives, my paradigms. If you agree, fair enough, like this, share this. If you do not agree, please come back through the comment section so that we can have a very nice, fruitful discussions. Maybe I will have paradigm shift for myself, or maybe you will have paradigm shift for yourself. Thank you very much. If you like, please do subscribe to my channels. Thank you.